everybody, welcome back to the House of Jane. My name is Lisa, and today I have a brand new box that I've never opened before. You want to know what it is? I'll show you. It's the Coke Insiders Club. It's a 3-month subscription, January, February, March. This is January's box. I just got it today and I cut the tape and I'll show you what it is. Obviously, it is Coke products. Check it out. They're supposed to send us products that are not in the public. I really don't know. I bought this basically for my kids because they love sodas. I drink a Coke once in a while. So let's look at the products. The first thing is a 28 fluid ounce Powerade sports drink. I have no idea if this is in the store. It looks familiar, but it's 0 sugar and also 0 calories. And this would be a serving of 2.5 servings. Each serving has 150 milligrams of sodium. Yikes, yikes, yikes. High in sodium, but believe it or not, it has potassium and niacin and vitamin B. So who knew? 2 types of vitamin B, B6 and B12. Hold on, I got a phone call I gotta get. I am sorry. Okay, I am back. I had to answer the phone, it was my mom. So, Powerade, that's the first thing. The second thing is Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee. This is supposed to be a new thing. It's Girl Scout coconut caramel. This is gonna be seriously tasty. Love, love, love. Then they have a nice bottle of Coca Cola. And I'm gonna open it. David, my son, my Marine, is here. I'm gonna pour him some Coke. He's not gonna get on camera. None of my kids wanna get on camera, and that is fine. Oh boy, this box is really getting in the way. Let me take out this one part. I'm gonna pour my son some Coke, and he's gonna try it. Ooh, look at that. Here you go, sweetie pie.
Thank you.
You wanna say hi?
Hi.
There we go. Have a Coke and a smile. Ooh, I see all the little bubbles. I don't drink a lot of soda, but I do like a good cup of Coke with some ice.
It's pretty good.
It's good? Yeah. Good. So, okay. Let's get this last puppy open. It says, but wait, there's more. Okay. Oh, okay, this is what it looks like. The first thing is a fanny pack. A fanny pack that I will probably never wear, but here it is. It's kind of flimsy, you know, it's not like a high quality fanny pack, but all right. It's something. I might keep it or put it in a giveaway. Then they threw in 2 packages of high C drink mix. Self-explanatory, put it in water. And then this, I have no idea what it is. It says Coca Cola Insiders Club. Let's open it up. I'm just gonna rip open the box. It's not like anything spectacularly, you know, special. I'm curious, what is this? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, well, look at that. Looky, looky. This is pretty neat. I don't know how practical it is, but this is a set of playing cards with Coca Cola bottles. See that? So very cool. I would be interested in using these to play a game of cards. I've never seen anything. Now I kind of regret ripping the box the way I did, but oh well. So that's what's in the Coke Insiders Club box. We got a deck of cards, a fanny pack, which I am never probably gonna use. We got 2 little drink mixes, a Powerade, which I'm not sure if it's in the store. By the way, the flavor is watermelon berry. A Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee, which I will definitely drink. 1 bottle, 250 calories. And the Coca-Cola, which my son walked away with the can, which is pretty good, but you know what Coca-Cola tastes like. So tell me what you think of the Insiders Club. I'm going to get a box in February and in March. I hope they up the game of the box a little bit. I was expecting actually a little bit better box, but we shall see. This is the first one, and I like to try new things. So if you've never been to my channel before, I love to do unboxing videos, and I also have been doing a little bit of vlogging about myself. So stick around, give me a like, give me a comment, and give me a subscribe. Come on, make my day. Give me that subscribe. Hit that red button. It is free to subscribe to my channel, and then you get to see me and I get to see you, right? I get to see you later. Bye.